Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today I'm using my Halloween scrap and sticker stash to make this cute card. I recently went through my Halloween crafting bin and reorganized my Halloween scraps and stickers. This is my current Halloween sticker book. To see how I'm updating my stickers, check out this video. I'll admit it, I have a sticker problem, meaning I buy them but then I never use them. Last year I found these cute pug puppy stickers at Target. I have a close friend with a pug and these just made me think of her. So I bought 2 packs and then I didn't use them. So when I came across the stickers again, I decided that I just had to make a card with one of the pups. I'm also going to use some of the scraps that were left over from other projects that I used pattern paper for. I'm picking out some of the strips that I think will work together okay and will work with the pug puppy that I'll be using as the focal point. Once I've got them picked out, I'll adhere those strips to a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card panel. I covered my white card panel with Dotliner adhesive and then positioned each of the strips where I want it. Next, I trimmed off the excess using my guillotine trimmer. Looking at the panel, I decided that one of the strips should be the other direction. No problem. Thanks to my Dotliner adhesive, I can just take it off and reposition it, at least for a while. That looks better. I'll be using a white card base and I want a little of that card base to show all the way around the panel. So I'm trimming a 1/4 inch from the long side and from the short side. This will give me an 1/8 inch white border all the way around the panel. Doesn't this little pug look just too darn cute? I want more of the focus to be on him, so I'll create a matting layer from some scraps. I'm starting by gluing the sticker onto a piece of black cardstock using my art glitter glue. Then I'll take out my trimmer again and trim down the cardstock. I decided he needed a little bit more, so I took a scrap piece of polka dot paper and used that as a second mat. Next, I took some purple eyelash trim that's been in my stash forever and wound it a couple of times around the panel before tying it off. To adhere my little pug to the card, I'm using some double-sided foam tape. I'm placing one piece at the top and one piece at the bottom, leaving a gap where the eyelash trim will be. Now I'll create a card base. I'm using a sheet of Michael's 300 GSM heavyweight cardstock that I've already cut in half, creating two pieces of 8.5 by 5.5. Next, I'll score the long side at 4 1/4 and fold on the score. You want to make sure that the score line is facing outward when you fold. This is because you've broken down the fibers when you were scoring it, and the card is much less likely to crack on that fold. To adhere the card panel to the card base, I'm using some strong double-sided tape. I'm putting a lot of tape down. It's probably overkill, but I rarely use any type of ribbon on my cards, and I want to make sure that the card doesn't get pulled apart if someone accidentally pulls on the eyelash trim. Now that the tape is down, I'll burnish it and start removing the release paper. I'm also creating some little handles with the release paper to make it easier to position. On top of that, I'm also using art glitter glue over the exposed adhesive tape to give me a little wiggle room if needed. Now I'll position the card panel to the front of my card base. For a sentiment, I went into my bag of Halloween sentiments. I'm using this Happy Halloween sentiment that I die cut from Silver Mirror cardstock last year. I'm using my EK Success reverse tweezers to hold on to the sentiment as I add art glitter glue to the back. As a final touch, I decided to add some little bats, confetti pieces, and some black sequins using my art glitter glue. finishes up this card for today. I hope that you are inspired to get going on your Halloween crafting, and I would love to see what you create. So come join my Facebook group, Crafting with Debbie, and show us your creations. I've left a link in the description box down below. Oh, and if you make anything using ideas from one of my Halloween videos, please post a picture and tag me at hashtag Debbie J's Crafting Corner and at hashtag DJCC Halloween 2020. You can also see all of my Halloween videos for 2020 by clicking on the hashtag DJCC Halloween 2020 down in the video title. Here are some other videos that you may be interested in. Thank you so much for dropping by, and remember, if I can make it, you can too.